our TikTok tutorial series. Today I'll be showing you how to create a playlist on TikTok. But before we learn to do that, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. Now let's get started with the video. So TikTok is this new feature where people can make a playlist, but this feature is not available to everyone just yet. So let's open the TikTok app and let's go to your profile. So normally if you have the option of making a TikTok, this is where you usually have it to create a playlist, or you just go to you click on the triple horizontal bars there, you click on creator tools, and here you have another option of playlist, and you create the playlist, and that's what TikTok says. And you go to creator tools and you click on create a playlist. So that's what TikTok teaches us to do. But if you do not have this option just yet, not everybody has this feature of creating a playlist. If you do, this is how you will do it. You'll click on the triple horizontal bars there. You'll click on the creator tools option, and here you have an option of creating a playlist. You'll name the playlist and you'll choose the videos from your feed to add on to that playlist, and the playlist will be shown right under this menu bar here. Like if you see Disney, under the feed option on the like videos option, there's this playlist, and they have added a lot of videos. So if you have the playlist option, you can also create playlists like that. So if you've not got that feature yet, you just need to wait for some time before you get that feature, before TikTok provides that feature to everybody.